Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir. సార్ అది నిన్నది సమ్ ఎప్పుడు సార్ అది వస్తలే
అది యాక్చువల్గా that is calls in advance. The problem is calls in advance. Now we are doing calls in arrears after completing this.
లాగ్ అవుతుంది సార్ మీది.
సరే అవసరం లేదు తీసుకెళ్ళి Good morning, students. Is it clear?
Good morning, sir.
Clear now?
No, sir.
Okay. So yesterday's problem which I have given you, that is calls in advance. So after completing this calls in arrears, tomorrow we'll start how to do this calls in advance. So I have not seen the problem, I have sent the problem. So after sending the problem, I have seen that it's a calls in advance problem. So now calls in arrears. Calls in arrears means the amount which is not paid by the shareholder. Okay, the amount which is not paid by the shareholder, that is called as the calls in arrears. Now we'll see another problem. The next class will go for calls in advance. So next period will be doing the problem which I have sent you yesterday. Got it? Now yesterday we have done one problem of calls in arrears. Today we are going to do another problem of calls in arrears. Okay. Please on your cameras, all of you. Please switch on your cameras. Gayatri, Hemant Singh. Okay, you can see the problem. A limited company offered for subscription 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each, payable 5 per share on application, 10 per share on allotment, including 5 per share as premium, 5 per share at first call on the shares, and the balance in 2 equal amounts at intervals of 3 months. All the shares were applied and allotted. All the money was received except the second call and the final on 200 and 400 shares respectively. You are asked to show the entries in the company's general cash book and the ledgers, and also show the company's balance sheet to complete the above transaction. So here he has given A limited company has offered a subscription of rupees 10,000 shares. That means it has issued to public 10,000 shares have been issued by the company to the public. That is 10,000. Each share cost is 25 rupees. Listen carefully. First, try to understand the problem. 25 rupees. How this 25 rupees has been distributed? See, 5 per share on application, 5 rupees on application, 10 rupees, 10 per share on allotment. So actually, allotment in brackets he has given including 5 per share as premium. So in the allotment, what had happened in the allotment? Premium is also included. Okay. And next one is 5 per share as first call on the shares, and the balance in 2 equal amounts at interval of for 3 months. So see, total share value is 25 rupees and premium is 5 rupees. So total value will be 30. You can see here. So how many shares were issued? 10,000 shares were issued, and each share cost is 25 rupees, and premium, that is 30 rupees, 5 rupees. That means total share cost is 30 rupees. Application is 5 rupees. Allotment, he has given 10 rupees, that is 5 plus 5. Another 5 is premium. It has been included premium. First call is 5 rupees, and second and final call in the question, he has given that you have to divide whatever amount is there equally. You have to divide. 10 was remaining. So that's why first, second call, I have given 5 rupees, and final call, I have given 5 rupees. You can see the question. All the, after this, after premium, 5 per share as first call on the shares, and the balance in 2 equal amounts at intervals of for 3 months. So two calls are there. Second and final call will be there. So 2 equal ga cheyamanadu anamata. 2 equal ga cheyamante 10 rupees remaining. 2 equal ante 5 rupees. 5 rupees I have given. So second call is 5 rupees and final call is 5 rupees. So if you see equal, if he has given equally distribute cheyandi. In some problems they will be giving second and final call 10 rupees and issued. Second and final call under no need of preparing again another column. See here, I have prepared this column. It's a number of shares, application money, shares allotted, share capital, allotment. Premium is also there, no? So that's why excess application money due and premium. I have added one more column in the allotment, that is premium. The reason is why I have done another column is in the allotment. Premium is there. How do you know that premium is there in the problem? See the question. See the question.
Sir, 5 plus 5.
5 per share. 5 per premium, 5 rupees, including that one. Okay, so that's why I have added one more column, that is premium column in the allotment. So first call application due, second call application due, first call application due, and a returns column. So now I'll distribute. Application money is 5 rupees now. So I'll distribute application money 5 rupees, allotment is 5 rupees, premium is 5 rupees, first call is 5 rupees, second call is 5 rupees, and final call is 5 rupees. Got it? Up to here clear now?
Yes,
I have distributed according to that. Now, so number of shares is, how many shares were issued by the company? 10,000. First one, 10,000. So application money is 5 rupees. 10,000 into 5, that means on application money, the company will receive how much? 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000. So the company will receive first, okay, application. And how many shares will be allotted? Because the company has issued 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares will be allotted. Shares allotted will be 10,000 shares will be allotted. Okay, next
so share capital 50,000.
50,000. How do you get that share capital 50,000? Shares allotted 10,000 into 5, that will be 50,000. Okay. Is there any excess application money? Application money and share capital. If we have to minus this one, 50,000 minus 50,000, no excess application money. Sometimes in some problems, excess application money will come. We have to adjust. So here, no excess application money. So that's why we have to keep a dash under this one. Okay, under APP, that is application money column. This is application money, excess application money column. Now, how much they have to pay in the allotment actually?
50,000.
10,000 into 5, that is 50,000 they have to pay in the allotment, and in the premium 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000 they have to pay.
50,000.
That means allotment they have to pay 50,000 and premium 50,000. Altogether, allotment they have to pay 1 lakh. Got it? 50,000 and 50,000. Got it? Now there is no excess application money here. Will not get. So first call. So after 3 months, the company will go for first call. 3 months the company first call amount pay jayara bhai ani cheppesi cheptadu anamata. So then shares, how many shares were allotted? 10,000. 10,000 shareholders, they have to pay first call 5 rupees. 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000 they have to pay. Clear now? Up to here it is clear now. And again the company after 3 months it will go for second call. Again company will tell that they have to pay second call amount, that is 5 rupees So how many total shareholders are there? 10,000 shareholders are there. 10,000 into 5, that is, they have to pay 50,000 amount in the second call. So again, the company has, after 2 or 3 months, the company will go for final call. That final call amount is 5 rupees. And the shareholders are 10,000 shareholders will be there. 10,000 into 5, that is, they have to pay again 50,000. Got it now? Here, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see,
Clear, sir.
see the problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in the problem, he has given that in the problem he has given all the shares were applied for and allotted. All the money was received except second and final call on 200 and 400 shares respectively. Okay. So all the money they have received except how many? 200 and 400.
200 shares.
200 shareholder unnadu, 400 shareholder unnadu. What they have done is they did not pay second and final call. Okay, all the shareholders except 200 shareholder, 400 shareholder, he did not pay second and final call. Understood now this one? He did not pay second and final call. So now second and final call. So how many are there shareholders? So 200 and 400 shareholders are there. So we'll calculate 200 plus 400. How many are there? 600. 200 plus 400, 600. 600 into first second call money he did not pay, no? So 600 into 5. Here you can see total unpaid shareholders are how many? 200 plus 400. That is total 600 are there. Evadaithe pay cheyaledo, who has not paid second and final call, how many are there? 600 are there. In the question, 200 shareholder gadu, 400 shareholder, he did not pay second and final call. Got it? Up to here it is clear now? Okay. So 600 shareholder did not pay second and final call amount, that is 5 plus 5. So therefore 600 into 5, that is 3,000. On the second call 3,000. And on the final call also 3,000. Got it? How did you get this one?
Yes, sir. Ardhamain, sir.
हेमंत सिंह समझ में आया कि नहीं?
सर ఈ టేబుల్ చేయగలుగుతున్నా సార్ ఆ జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ జరా ఒక్కొక్క సమ్ కి ఒక్కొక్క లెక్క అర్థమైతలే
ఏం లేదు ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజుతో క్లియర్ అయిపోతుంది చూడు జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి క్లియర్ టుడే everything will be cleared. So call scenarios next final call scenarios kuda 3,000. So if you minus 3,000 from 50,000, that means in second call the company has received how much? 47,000. In final call the company has received 47,000. Up to here it is clear, no? Call scenarios are in second call 3,000, in final call 3,000. So total amount received on second call is 47,000 and total amount received on the final call is 47,000. Ab tak samajh mein aaya na? So this is the table which we have completed. By seeing this table, we need to do general entries. So by seeing this table, we need to do general entries. So first the bank has choose table usually we'll see. By seeing this table first, we'll do general entries. Okay. By seeing this table, we'll go for general entries. First, the company has received what? The company has received application money.
Application money.
Appadendra general entry em ostadi? The company has received application money.
No.
General entry em ostadi?
Bank account debit.
Bank account debit.
To share application account credit.
Very good. To share application money account debit. Okay. So bank will be receiving the application money. Next, after that, application money should be transferred to share capital. So share application money account data to share capital. First one is bank has received the application money. So bank account debit to share application money. Second one is application money has been transferred to share capital, that is 50,000. Okay. Next one. Next one is what is the due amount in the allotment? How much is the due amount in the allotment? First due amount entano చూపించాలన్నమాట. How much is the due amount? Share allotment account capital. Actually,
Share allotment account to share capital.
Share capital. But premium is also there, no? It's an income for us. So share allotment account data to share capital account data to security premium reserve. Yesterday we have done the same. Premium was there.
Yes, sir.
Premium was there in allotment. What we have done? The
Yes,
general
ma'am.
share
Yes, sir.
allotment data to share capital to security premium reserve. Got it, no?
Yes, sir. Security premium to security
reserve.
premium reserve.
Adi credit. Why we have done credit? Because it's an income for us. It's an income for our company. So that's why it has been created. According to the nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So when the company is issuing any shares at a premium, it's an income to the company. So that's why the security premium reserve should be created. Okay. If for example, premium is not there, premium ledu, premium nahi hai either. Okay. Let's think that premium nahi hai either. So what will be the general entry? Share allotment account data to share capital. If premium is not there in the allotment, share allotment account data to share capital. Being the allotment money due entano చూపించడానికి అన్నమాట. How much is due? Now premium is there, so that's why share allotment account data to share capital account data to security premium.
Security premium reserve.
I'll show you here. You can see. Okay, third general entry, share allotment account data to share capital account data to security premium reserve. Got it? Security premium reserve. Okay. After that, first we need to show the due. After that, again, what you have to do? We have to
Make it total.
ఇప్పుడు 3 months తర్వాత అప్లికేషన్ మనీ తర్వాత
Bank.
పే చేయాలి కదా. When application money is paid, the bank will receive. When allotment money is also paid by the shareholders, who will receive? The bank will receive. So bank account data to share allotment account. So after showing the due, no, the bank has received how much? The bank has received 50,000 plus 50,000, 1 lakh. So when bank has received the allotment money, bank account data to share allotment account. Bank account data to share allotment account. Understood or not? Up to here. Very easy. These general entries are very easy. Understood, no?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go for another general entry. Next general entry enter.
Sir, next, sir, to share account debit to application account credit.
First call ఉంది కదా. First call is there.
First call account debit to share capital account credit.
Yes, very good. Share first call account debit to share capital. ఇందాక మనం ఏం చేస్తాం allotment లో allotment we have showed allotment no share allotment account data to share capital. It is due. You have to write the due. Here also share first call account data to share capital. Being the first call money due, you have to write that. Again, the bank has received the first call money. So bank account data to share first call account. Bank account data to share first call account. You can see here. Being the first call money received. Being the first call money received. Got it? Again, coming to the second call. Second call due. When the first call is due, we have written as share first call account data to share capital and Ashton. Now, second call due means in the place of first call, you have to write second call. Share second call account debit to share capital. Okay? Share second call account debit to share capital. Being the second call money due. Due ఒకటే ఎంట్రీ రా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. If you want to show due in allotment, share allotment account data to share capital. First call due చూపించాలంటే share first call account data to share capital. సెకండ్ కాల్ లో డ్యూ చూపించాలంటే షేర్ సెకండ్ కాల్ అకౌంట్ డేటా టు షేర్ క్యాపిటల్. ఓకే, ఫైనల్ కాల్ లో డ్యూ చూపించాలంటే షేర్ ఫైనల్ కాల్ అకౌంట్ డేటా టు షేర్ క్యాపిటల్. డ్యూ చూపించాలంటే అదే అనమాట. షేర్ క్యాపిటల్ కిందకి వస్తుంది, వాట్ ఎవర్ is there that will be debited and share capital will be credited. That's it. Due చూపించాలంటే. When it is received by the bank should be debited, and whatever it may be, allotment of first call, second or final call, that should be credited. Got it? Here first we have showed that share second call debit to share capital. Okay, after that in second call, calls in arrears is there. Calls in arrears is there. Calls in arrears means it's a loss to the company. So when it is loss to the company, it should be debited. So bank has received 47,000. Calls in arrears 3,000 to share second call. Okay, bank should be debited. Calls in arrears should be debited. 47,000, 3,000, and second call should be credited. Next, coming to the last entry, share final call account data to share capital, that is 50,000, 50,000. And when the final call amount is received and calls in arrears are there, bank account data, calls in arrears account data to share final call. Bank account data, that is 47,000, calls in arrears account data, that is 3,000, and to share final call account, that is 50,000. Understood up to here? Clear, no? Hemant, Uday?
Yeah, sir.
Uday? ఏడవండి ఉదయ్ గడు. Okay, understood. So by seeing here, very easy. See, bank account debit, calls in arrears account debit to share second call. Already CA means calls in arrears. Calls in arrears is 3,000 and 3,000. Bank I have given, I have written, that is 47,000, 47,000. Got it? Understood, or shall I explain once again? Surya?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తారా సార్?
మళ్ళా చెప్తాం. గాయత్రి? మళ్ళీ హాస్పిటలా గాయత్రి?
No, sir. Today at home only, sir.
What happened, beta? Feeling well? Someone is admitted in hospital. Don't go frequently to hospital. COVID cases are more. If you want to talk to your relatives, make a video call and talk to them. Okay? So once again, I'll explain this problem. Did you understand, Gayatri?
Yeah, sir.
Don't be silent, beta. In the middle, please try to interact.
Okay, sir.
Your presence is more important. So when you are in a playground, no, you will be silent. You will play like anything, no?
Yeah, sir.
You will be getting medals. So when you ask doubt, participate, then only your doubts will be cleared and you will be understanding the concept. Got it? Don't be silent.
Yes, sir.
How Hemant, Uday, Madhubaya, they are answering, no? Like that you have to answer. So now Uday and Gayatri, once again I am teaching the same problem. A limited company offered a subscription 10,000 shares of rupees 25 each. So 10,000 shares were issued by the company. Each share cost is 25 rupees and 5 rupees a premium. How do you know that 5 rupees is premium? Because he has given that 5 per share on application, 10 per share on allotment, including 5 per share as premium he has given. 5 per share as first call on the shares and the balance in 2 equal amounts. Got it? So what he has done, allotment is 10 rupees, that is including premium 5 rupees. That is allotment is 5 rupees and premium is 5 rupees. And next one is first 5 rupees on first call and the balance amount 2 equal amounts should be distributed for the second and final call. So total amount is remaining, that 10 rupees is remaining, that should be, second call should be given 5 rupees and final call should be 5 rupees. All the shares, they given mute your array, they given mute. All the shares were applied for, all the shares were applied for and allotted. All the money was received except the second call and final call on 200 and 400 shares respectively. So 2 shareholders are there who is holding, one is holding 200 and another is holding 400. So they did not pay second and final call. Okay, let's take Mr. A is 200. He did not pay second and final call. Mr. B is holding 400 shares. He did not pay second and final call. Okay. Now we have to distribute. Application money is 5 rupees. He has given allotment money 10 rupees. That is 5 rupees premium and 5 rupees in allotment. 10 rupees. First call is 5 rupees. And after that, in the question, he told that second and final call should be equally distributed amount. 10 rupees was remaining. I have distributed for second call 5 rupees and final call 5 rupees. Up to here, it's clear, no? Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Uday, Surya.
sir, why we are adding 5, sir, at last?
Premium is 5 rupees, no beta. Total share
Sir,
value
in
is,
allotment we have added, no, sir, already.
that's what besides I have written that the share value is 25 rupees, no? The share value is 25 rupees and plus premium, that is 5 rupees. That is, the share value is 30 rupees. For that purpose, I have added 25 plus 5. That is 25 is if you total all application money, allotment money, first call, second call and final call. If you add, you will be getting 25. And premium, if you add 5 rupees premium,
Yeah, sir, I got it.
that is 30 rupees you will be getting. That's why I have written as 25 plus 5, that is 30. Got it? No? Clear? Now this is the whole number of shares, application money, shares allotted, share capital, allotment. I have C in the allotment. U column is there, premium column is there. U is 5 rupees and premium column also you have to write 5 rupees. First call is 5 rupees, second call is 5 rupees, final call is 5 rupees. So application money 5, allotment 5, U 5, that is premium 5, first call, second and final call, each 5 rupees. Got it? This is clear, no? Now, number of shares, how many shares? 10,000 shares were issued. 10,000 into application money is 5. 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000. Next, how many shares were allotted? 10,000 shares were issued and 10,000 were allotted. So shares allotted is 10,000. Next, share capital. 10,000 into 5, that is, you will be getting 50,000. Share capital is 50,000. So is there any excess application money? How do you know excess application money? Application money minus share capital. Both are equal. So 50,000 minus 50,000, no excess money. So here, there will be no excess application money. So after 3 months, they have to pay allotment money. So how much is on the allotment? 5 rupees allotment and 5 rupees premium. So first to 5 into 10, that is 50,000 they have to pay in the allotment. And along with the allotment, premium is also included in the allotment. So 5 rupees, that is 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000. So due column 50,000 and here also 50,000 they have to pay. 50,000 on due column and 50,000 on premium column. Got it now? Clear now this one? Up to here it is clear. Now after 3 months, the company will go for first call. First call amount is 5 rupees. So 10,000 into 5, 10,000, here 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000. Got it? Next, the company,
Yes, sir.
after 3 months, the company will go for second call. Second call amount is 5 rupees. So 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000. You have. So again, after 3 months, the company will go for final call. So 5 rupees on final call. 5 rupees into 10, that is 50,000. Clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Good. Yes. So now we'll go for general entries. First general entry will be the bank will receive application money. Bank account debit to application money, share application money. Okay. So after receiving the application money, this application money should be transferred to share capital. So share application money account data to share capital. Okay. So up to share capital, we have done the general entries. Now next coming to allotment. So how much is
Sir.
allotment? Yes. Any doubt?
सर इसमें 300 और 600 का भी 300 और 400 का भी माइनस होगा ना सर?
हाँ
Share.
होता बोल दो फर्स्ट एक बार होने के बाद सॉरी कॉल्स इन एरियर्स है ना सॉरी तो कॉल्स इन एरियर्स के बाद we have to do general entries. So in the problem he has given that the calls in errors, the two persons are there. One person is who is holding 200 shares. He did not pay second and final call, and 400 shareholder he did not pay second and final call. So altogether, how many shareholders are unpaid shareholders are there? Total unpaid shareholders are 200 plus 400, that is 600 are there. Total unpaid shareholders are, they did not pay, only they have done the partly payment. They have done up to first call only the payment. So 600 shareholders, 600 shares, they paid up to first call only. They did not pay second and final call. So that's why 600 into first, second call is how much? 5 rupees. 600 into 5, that is 3,000 in the first, second call. And 600 into 5, that is 3,000 calls in arrears on the final call. Okay. So we have to remove this calls in arrears. Calls in arrears. The second call calls in arrears is 3,000. How did you get this 3,000? Because number of shares, unpaid shares are 600. 600 into the second call money 5 rupees. 600 into 5, that is 3,000. That is calls in arrears. Again, 600 into final call amount is 5. 600 into 5, that is 3,000. Okay. So the unpaid amount that is called as calls in arrears. So if you remove this calls in arrears from 50,000, you will be getting 47,000. Got it? You will be getting 47,000. Understood? Here. Now the general entries are. First general entry is bank account data to share application money. This application money should be transferred to share capital. That is share application account debit to share capital, being the application money transferred to share capital. Okay. Next, share allotment account data to share capital. To security premium reserve. Share allotment account data to share capital to security premium reserve. That is 1,50,000 and 50,000. Next, the bank has received the share allotment. When bank has received the share allotment, bank account data to share allotment. Surya, understood? General entries.
Yes, sir.
Gayatri.
Yeah, sir.
Next. Up to allotment we have completed. Next general entry will be first call. So first due entry is share first call account data to share capital. That is 50,000. Being the first
Sir,
call.
ఒకసారి మీద పేజ్ పెట్టారా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటా
ఏదైనా మీద పేజా ఇందాకడ పేజా
అంటే మీద జనరల్ ఎంట్రీ
ఇందాకడదా ఇదేనా మీదయా
ఇది కాదు ఫస్ట్
ఇదే బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ డేటా టు షేర్ అప్లికేషన్ share application to share capital, share allotment account data to share capital to security premium reserve. After that, bank account data to share allotment. Got it? Have you taken?
ఎస్ సార్ తీసుకున్నాం.
Next, after completing allotment, there is first call. First call due entana చూపించాలి. Share first call account data to share capital, that is 50,000 is due. Being the first call money due. So after that, bank account data to share first call. So bank has received the share first call. In share first call, calls in arrears is not there. So up to first call, they have paid the amount. 600 shares they have paid up to first call. After that, second and final call, 600 shares were not paid. So that's why we have multiplied 600 into 5, that is 3,000 on second call. Again, 600 into 5, that is 3,000 on final call. Got it? Next, coming to the second call, share second call account data to share capital, that is 50,000. Being the second call money due. After that, the second call amount has been paid, and calls in arrears also we have to show. See here, simple concept how to remember this journal entries is, now this calls in arrears you might be finding little bit difficult. Once you do 4 to 5 times know this problem, and you have to daily write the journal entries. By seeing or verifying, it's very difficult for you. Okay, by seeing
Okay, sir.
you might be thinking that hey, itna easier hai bhai, kuch bhi nahi hota, problem nahi hai. Daily you have to practice at least 3 to 4 times. You have to write the journal entries sequel manner. First application money will be there, next allotment will be there, allotment due we have to show due. After that, the allotment money has been
సార్
paid.
ఇంతేనా సమ్ము? దీని తర్వాత ఇంకో టేబుల్ లేదా?
అంతే అంతే, దాని తర్వాత బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఉంది. ఐ టెల్ యూ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ హౌ టు డూ దిస్. బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ చేయాలి కదా, యూ హావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ద బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ నో.
అదే అడుగుతున్నా, లేదా నెక్స్ట్ పీరియడ్ లో చెప్తారా సార్?